blockage of drains on the roof is a nightmare for many. Fallen leaves, sludge, and debris can often block drains, resulting in standing water, which can leak into the house and cause wall damage. Now this maximum strength water drainage device can alleviate all these concerns. Total of 5 strengths. First strength, rapid water drainage with no blockage. Unique atmospheric pressure design concept allows rapid water drainage at a faster speed than with regular bronze drainage covers. The increased speed of water flow blocks sludge outside the barrier. Drainage pipes will no longer clog due to sludge accumulation. Second strength, usable in harsh environments. This product has undergone wind tunnel testing at a nationally certified laboratory. Cold testing, -40 degrees Celsius. Sunlight resistance testing. Suitable for use even in strong winds, heavy rains, and extreme climates. Third strength, UV and pH resistant. PC materials utilized resist UV and corrosion. Fourth strength, easy to use. Covers drain directly with no installation needed. Not limited by terrain type, the strainer can be placed anywhere on the ground. Fifth strength, reflective cover for easy location. It can be used over drains in the garden, rooftop, community courtyard, balcony, etc. It is an excellent facilitator of water drainage, ensuring smooth draining all the way.